Hi guys, it's Brandon with Mid-American Title. Today I just want to do a quick video on dower rights, especially dower rights in the state of Michigan, since those have more recently changed. So dower rights are old common law back from England, been around for centuries. And what it did was, in the situation of a marriage, a wife automatically got a 1/3 interest in all of her husband's lands and properties. Why this was an issue for us in the real estate industry is that if you had a closing going on where a seller was selling off property, if he was a married man, you also needed his wife present to sign on the documents. Even if he took title or took ownership prior to their marriage, she still automatically became an owner as soon as they got married. So you would need her present in order to sign off on the documents. In April of this year, that all changed. The courts decided to remove that from Michigan law. We were one of the last few states with it. And the main driving force behind that was the legalization of same-sex marriages. Since dower rights only apply to a wife in a married relationship, it was impossible to tell who would be the husband and the wife in a same-sex situation. The courts didn't want to have to make that determination, so it was easier to remove dower rights from Michigan. Since we never had courtesy rights, which would be the opposite, where a husband would get ownership in a wife's property, that was never on our books, so that never had to be removed. So just dower rights were removed. So what does this mean for you? Two main points. If you're working with a seller or you're selling yourself, if you took ownership in property by yourself, even before you were married or after you were married, you can now sell that property by yourself and sign off on the documents. Your wife does not need to be present. On the flip side, if you're purchasing property, if you purchase it by yourself, it'll be in your name solely. Even if you're married or become married, your wife will not automatically get an interest as she did when dower existed. So she will either need to be named on that original deed if you're married at the time of taking ownership, or if you get married later, she'll need to be deeded into the title if she wants to have an actual ownership interest of record. There's a lot more to dower law, and I put some links below if you're interested in reading up some more. You can always contact us if you have any questions on it. Hope you found this informative, and have a great day.